of meditation, like emotional regulation. Emotions can be like waves, sometimes calm, sometimes stormy. Meditation helps you ride those waves with greater ease. By practicing mindfulness, you learn to observe your emotions without being swept away by them. This helps you stay balanced and centered, especially when life gets challenging. Meditation helps you to connect from the heart. Meditation isn't just about finding peace within yourself, it's also about connecting with others. Practices like loving kindness meditation can help you to cultivate compassion, empathy, both for yourself and for those around you. As you develop these qualities, your relationships become richer and more harmonious, and you'll discover that your heart opens in ways that you never thought possible. Meditation helps to reduce anxiety and depression, so you can find calm in the chaos of life. Sometimes worry and sadness can feel like life's really hard. It's like being stuck in a storm of thoughts that just simply won't stop. Meditation can help you find the quiet place within. You see, here's how it works. You learn to pay attention to what's happening right now and practice accepting things as they are without trying to change them. This helps stop the cycle of worry about the future or worry about the past, and by doing this, you become stronger emotionally.